We begin inside the WordPress block editor. The entire appointment workflow is modular. Here you can see the main appointment block, which now encapsulates a dedicated payment section inner block to handle transactional states natively. Selecting the payment inner block exposes its dedicated configuration panel inside the inspector control sidebar. These declarative fields allow site administrator to immediately toggle payment gateway and configure global transaction defaults without writing a line of code. While global defaults are handled at the block level, real-world clinical operation requires flexibility. Navigating to the user edit screen, administrator can access the custom doctor appointment fee meta panel. Assigning a value here establishes a dynamic fallback pattern, bypassing the common block settings to accommodate senior consultants or specialized rates. With our administrator configuration and user meta fallback structures in place, let's pivot to the front-end booking form utilized by patients to schedule and fund their appointments. As a patient fills out the booking form, the system dynamically calculates the required fee based on our resolution hierarchy. Upon submission, the engine handles a secure transition into the Stripe checkout ecosystem. Once the sandbox transaction is authorized, Stripe securely hands back control, routing the patient back to a tailored booking success screen. To close the loop, we check the Stripe sandbox dashboard. Refreshing our ledger reveals the precise transaction generated. The payment is successfully recorded alongside all relevant appointment metadata, confirming a robust, decoupled, and secure financial workflow.